Alright guys, so we just picked up this beautiful brand new 2023 STX160 hull. It is fresh off the press, never actually been put in the water. It was gutted for, I guess, some sort of project, I think a mini jet boat. So it has no motor, has no pump, as you can see. The pump shoe's missing, but we have one. We're gonna put that in there. But otherwise, it's brand new, never hit the water, has 0 hours on it, obviously. Screen's missing, all the hardware is missing. All gutted, as you can see. I'll let you take a look on the inside here. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. As you can see, no fuel tank, completely gutted. Sorry, it's a little dark. Really gutted. They even took the shroud that halts the carriage on here, so we're gonna have to retrofit something on here. Really beautiful looking machine, and I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do with it. We decided that we're gonna do a supercharged motor in here. We're gonna do up a 310, and we're gonna fit that in here. We're gonna probably do the stage 3 Riva setup on here. Hopefully this thing's gonna be like 85 plus miles an hour. Yeah, we're gonna put a supercharged motor in here. We're gonna put the brand new 310 display on here. I don't know how we're gonna do it yet, but we will figure it out. Harness, everything. It's gonna have a supercharged motor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to build the motor. Let's go up here. So we have a 300 motor here that I think we're gonna repurpose. So we're gonna take this thing apart and we're going to modify it, and we're gonna put forged internals in it and everything, and we're gonna build this up to a 310 motor. Pretty much have everything to do this, so stay tuned. We're gonna try each week. We're gonna do a little segment of this build so you guys can follow us, but definitely think it's gonna be really, really wild. I hope the supercharger and intercooler fit in the hull. Otherwise, we'll have to make some modifications, but overall, I think it's gonna be really cool. Stay tuned, guys.